Tired of distracting websites derailing your focus and productivity? First, let's try the simplest approach. While Chrome doesn't have a built-in website blocker, we can use extensions. Click on the three dots located at the top right corner of your Chrome browser to open the Chrome menu. Next, hover over extensions in the menu. Then, click on Visit Chrome Web Store. Now in the Chrome Web Store, search for a website blocking extension. A popular choice is BlockSite. Click on the BlockSite extension, review the details, and then click the Add to Chrome button. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Click Add Extension to grant the necessary permissions. Once installed, the BlockSite extension will guide you through its setup. You can then add websites to your block list directly through the extensions interface as shown now. When you or someone else tries to access the BlockSite will prevent the access. For a more advanced method, you can modify your computer's host file. However, be cautious, as incorrect modifications can cause network issues. Search online for how to edit the host's file on your specific operating system. Add a line like this to redirect the website to your local machine, effectively blocking access. Remember to save the changes if you are not tech savvy. Avoid this method. And that's it. You've successfully blocked websites on Chrome. Blocking distracting websites is a great way to get your day back on track. Like this video, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and let us know in the comments which other tech tips you'd like to see.